Finding your online marketing niche. Follow your passion. Start by considering your interests and passions. Building a business around something you love can be more fulfilling and sustainable. Research market demand. Investigate if there's a demand for your chosen niche. Look for online forums, social media discussions, and keyword research tools to gauge interest. Competitor analysis. Study your competitors within the niche. Analyze their strategies, products, and customer base to identify gaps you can fill. Successful businesses often address specific pain points. Assess profitability. Evaluate the potential profitability of your niche. Are people willing to pay for products or services related to it? Look for opportunities to monetize. Consider longevity. Think about the long-term viability of your niche. As you gain experience and learn more about your audience, you may find opportunities to pivot or expand.